Tired of running out of battery when you need it most? Whether you're traveling, gaming, or just on the move, a reliable power bank is a must-have. Today, we're breaking down the top 13 power banks on Amazon, from compact lifesavers to heavy-duty chargers. Subscribe for more. Let's power up your day. At number 1, we have Anker PowerBank PowerCore 10K, one of the slimmest 10,000 mAh power banks on the market, providing multiple chargers for smartphones, tablets, and USB devices with Anker's advanced charging technology. Features Power IQ and voltage boost to deliver optimized charging up to 12 watts for different devices, plus a low-power trickle mode. Durable construction with scratch resistance. Multi-protect system guards against overcharging, short circuits, and extreme temperatures for safe operation. Designed to provide optimized charging to low-power devices such as earphones, Bluetooth speakers, and other accessories. At number 2, we have INIU Portable Charger Experience, the safest charging with over 38 million global users. At INIU, we use only the highest grade materials, so we do have the confidence to provide an industry-leading 3-year INIU care. Enjoy a full week's worth of charging capacity with the airline-approved 20,000 mAh power bank. INIU PD 3.0 Super Portable Charger can work with not only all the phones, tablets, but your smaller devices like AirPods, Bluetooth headphones, fitness trackers, smartwatches, etc. Charge your devices directly via original USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to Lightning cable. At number 3, we have Rgvota Power-Bank, boasting a massive 38,800 mAh battery. This power bank can charge most smartphones over 6 times, keeping you powered up all day long. Built-in protection chips safeguard your devices from overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrents, short circuits, and overheating for worry-free charging. Works seamlessly with a vast range of devices, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, tablets, smartwatches, and more, making it an essential accessory for all your tech. Built-in reliable lithium polymer battery helps to charge your phone safely, won't get too hot, or cause a lot of heat on the battery of your phone. At number 4, we have INIU 2 Pack Portable Charger. Experience the safest charging with over 38 million global users. At INIU, we use only the highest grade materials, so we do have the confidence to provide an industry-leading 3 years INIU care. Enjoy the day's worth of charging capacity, each enough to top up iPhone 8 3.6 times, S8 2.3 times, or iPad Air once. Unlike most chargers featuring a USB-C input only, INIU 3A high-speed PowerCore has a USB-C in and out port to perfectly fit your new iPhones, iPad, and all upcoming USB-C devices. With one USB-C port and 2 USB ports built in, it can juice up 3 devices simultaneously. Triple port design allows you to share portable power with families and friends. At number 5, we have Anker PowerBank 26,800 mAh external battery equipped with 3 USB output ports and Anker's Power IQ technology. You can simultaneously charge up to 3 devices at top speeds. With a colossal 26,800 mAh battery, this Anker Power Bank can fully charge an iPhone 8 nearly 10 times, a Samsung Galaxy S8 over 6 times, or provide multiple charges for tablets and other USB devices. Utilizing dual micro USB input ports and a maximum 4 amp input, this power bank fully recharges in just over 6 hours, twice as fast as standard chargers. Anker's multi-protect system combines surge protection, short-circuit prevention, and more advanced safety measures to safeguard your devices during charging. At number 6, we have Yiisonger 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Equipped with built-in cables and a USB output port, this portable charger can simultaneously power up to 5 devices, supporting wireless charging up to 15 watts and wired charging up to 22.5 watts via USB-C PD. Boasting a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, it can charge an iPhone 15/16 up to 3 times, with a smart LED display to monitor the remaining power. This power bank is easily carried in your pocket, making it ideal for travel, camping, or any other outdoor activity. With 8 built-in cryogenic ice cores and multiple protection systems, this power bank actively avoids potential hazards like overcharging, over-discharging, short circuits, and overheating, ensuring worry-free usage. At number 7, we have VEEKTOMX Power Bank, 30,000 milliamp hours. Power bank has a 30,000 milliamp hour capacity, which can fast charge the iPhone 14 up to 6 times, Samsung Galaxy S23 up to 5 times, and the iPad mini 4 times. Battery pack has a 30,000 milliamp hour large capacity and provides necessary backup power for smart devices, an essential item for travel or camping. Travel must-haves. Charging bank supports both input and output P, D, and QC, fast charging. Battery pack with a maximum output of 20 watts and 18 watts of input fast charging. No need to take any charging cables. The power bank comes with a USB-A input charging cable. You can charge the power bank by plug the USB-A cable to a USB outlet or charger. At number 8, we have Yiisonger Wireless Power Bank 10,000 milliamp hours. Ultra-large capacity can provide full-day power easily. The power bank real 10,000 milliamp hours supports 2 charges of iPhone 16 and 15 and 14 and 13 and 12. With the newest magnetic technology, MagSafe Power Bank can directly hold the back of your iPhone 15/14/13/12 series. Smart LED display can show the remaining battery capacity to ensure charging timely. The wireless charger weighs 0.4 pounds. The thinner and lighter design ensures that you can easily carry around the magnetic power bank and single-handedly take calls, selfies, and more. The built-in baby-like silicone material is to better protect your phone from scratches during wireless charging. At number 9, we have RORRY Portable Charger. The RORRY D2 portable charger packs a 5,000 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery, providing up to 10 charges for your Apple Watch or a full charge for your iPhone, making it an ideal travel companion. With its USB-C port, this power bank simultaneously charges multiple devices, including Apple Watch, iPhone, AirPods, and Android devices, ensuring you never run out of juice. Boasting a lightweight and keychain-friendly design, the RORRY D2 is easily portable, while built-in safety features like over-temperature, over-current, and over-voltage protection ensure worry-free charging. At number 10, we have VEEKTOMX Mini Power Bank, 10,000 milliamp hours, leveraging dual power delivery and Qualcomm quick charge technologies. This charger can juice up your iPhone 15 or Samsung S24 to 45% in just 30 minutes, drastically reducing your downtime. Compact yet mighty, this 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger packs a punch with its high-capacity battery and ultra-portable design, making it the perfect travel companion to keep your devices charged on the go. With its dual USB-C and USB-A ports, this power bank seamlessly charges a wide range of devices, from the latest iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones to tablets, cameras, headphones, and more, making it a truly universal charging solution. At number 11, we have Enerwow Power-Bank. Boasting a massive 50,000 milliamp hour capacity, this portable charger can fully charge an iPhone 13 Pro up to 11 times or a Samsung Galaxy S22 up to 8 times, ensuring you never run out of power on the go. Equipped with power delivery 30 watts and Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0, this power bank can charge your iPhone to 55% in just 30 minutes, saving you valuable time. Compatible with a vast array of devices, including iPhones, Samsung smartphones, Google Pixel, Xiaomi, earbuds, fitness trackers, smartwatches, and GoPro cameras, this power bank keeps your entire tech ecosystem charged and ready to go. At number 12, we have Lenuto Portable Charger. This ultra-compact 6,000 milliamp hour power bank effortlessly charges the latest iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and more USB-C devices, making it an indispensable travel companion. Measuring just 3.03 by 1.06 by 1.85 inches and weighing a mere 3.35 ounces. This lipstick-sized charger slips conveniently into your pocket or bag, providing a 20-watt fast charge whenever you need it most. Engineered with advanced protection against overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits, this portable charger prioritizes the well-being of your devices while ensuring a reliable charging experience backed by a 12-month warranty. At number 13, we have Belkin Power Bank. This 10,000 milliamp hour Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank seamlessly connects to your iPhone 12 or newer using MagSafe technology, ensuring perfect alignment and easy one-handed attachment for wireless charging up to 7.5 watts. Charge 2 devices simultaneously by wirelessly charging your iPhone and using the USB-C cable to power another device. Plus, you can keep your iPhone charging even when the power bank needs recharging. Boasting a slim profile and a solid build, this MagSafe compatible power bank from the trusted Belkin brand comes with a 2-year limited warranty, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind.